Welcome back, beautiful souls. Today, we're nourishing more than skin, we're feeding the soul. Let's talk about the healing power of Jason Vitamin E oil and how it fits into your mindful self-care routine. This precious oil delivers 5,000 IU of skin-soothing nourishment. It fades age spots, softens fine lines, and restores that natural radiance we cherish. For our maturing skin, it's like time in a bottle. This is Vitamin E oil, 5,000 IU of skin-soothing love. It fades scars, softens fine lines, calms irritated skin, and brings back that natural glow. Especially important for maturing skin like mine, it gives back what time tries to take. Let me show you. I pour a few drops into my palm, feeling its silky texture. As I gently apply it to my hands and face, I notice how it soothes and nourishes my skin, fading age spots and softening fine lines. Vitamin E oil is a staple in my routine. It helps calm irritated skin, supports healing, and restores that natural radiance we cherish. For maturing skin, it's like time in a bottle. In my DIY Mindfulness Kit, I include Vitamin E oil as a reminder to slow down and be present. When I massage it into my skin, I'm practicing gratitude. Let's set up our kit together. I start with a journal and pen, a tea light candle, a soft facial towel, a rose quartz crystal, and my Vitamin E oil. Here's a journal prompt for you. How do I feel in my skin today? Take a moment to write and reflect. I also include an affirmation card. My skin glows because I care for it with love. Place it where you'll see it as a gentle reminder. Light your candle, breathe in the calming scent, and let your space become a sanctuary. Prepare for a moment of self-love. This is more than skincare, it's a ritual. Breathe in the calming scent. Feel your hands connect with your body. With each stroke, say to yourself, I am worthy, I am radiant, I am enough. Start with your hands. Massage the oil into your palms. Move to your neck using slow upward strokes. Finally, gently massage your face, letting the oil absorb. As you massage, repeat, I am worthy, I am radiant, I am enough. Take your time, breathe deeply. This is your moment to connect. After 60, caring for ourselves becomes sacred. These little rituals, moisturizing, journaling, breathing, they keep us grounded. They remind us that beauty is not in the mirror. It's in the moment. True beauty radiates from within, from moments of mindful connection with ourselves. When we honor our bodies and spirits, we glow with a light that no mirror can capture. Let these rituals be your daily reminder. You are worthy of care, love, and peace at every age. If this touched you, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, you can create your own DIY mindfulness kit. Keep it simple, keep it soulful. You deserve it. For your final ritual, brew a cup of herbal tea. As you sip, Let the warmth fill you with peace. Take this time to reflect on your journey, your self-care, and the love you give yourself. Here's to nourishing your skin and your spirit every single day.